Hello, people, Rich Mobile in the house again. I got called for this 2005 Subaru Outback. I'm over here in 6th Street in downtown LA. As you can see right there, bam, 6th Street and Main. Ticket man is on duty right here. Anyways, the starter turned out to be bad. The guy complained that the car sometimes it starts, sometimes it doesn't. He has to tap the starter, so I'm gonna change it for him. And it seems like it's already gonna come out. Oh fuck! Oh, here it goes. Gotta be a little patience. Pretty much is out. Just gotta bring it out. As you can see, it's right there. Anyways, easy money right here. Gotta make that dollar. Gotta fix my 64. Gotta pay some bills. Gotta fix my bug. Gotta have money. Gotta make money. Damn, fucking. All these hoses makes it a little bit uncomfortable, but you have to have patience. No patience, can't do nothing. There it is. And there it is right there. Anyways, 2005 Subaru H4. It's pretty tricky to take it out, but once you have the knowledge and the mechanical aptitude, it becomes way easier. Anyways, people, I'm out this door. I'm gonna go get this part at Pep Boys because they didn't have it at AutoZone. Rich Mo in the house. And here I am, downtown LA parking lot right here. Bam, check out the buildings. All around, 360 degrees. Bam. I'm out this.